Now, this program has obtained exclusive evidence of what Beijing itself calls a pitiless crackdown on a nascent independence movement in the province of Xinjiang. The home of the Muslim Uyghur people, the area was briefly known after the war as the Republic of East Turkestan. But in 1949, Chairman Mao absorbed it into the province of Xinjiang. In recent years, the Uyghurs have been the victims of discrimination, and any protest has been swiftly crushed. Our Foreign Affairs correspondent Gabi Rado has a special report on the situation there. Viewers are warned that some of the images and scenes in his report are disturbing.
In Chinese, Xinjiang means new frontier. But for many, this is Eastern Turkestan, one of the ancient lands of the Silk Road. Though Beijing has long claimed its many ethnic groups live together in harmony, the largest of the Muslim people in the province, the Uyghurs, are now asserting their identity and challenging the Chinese government. Much of this film was shot secretly, because in Xinjiang, just talking to foreign journalists has been punished with arrest and long imprisonment. Even exiles are reluctant to reveal their identities for fear of reprisals against their families. In February this year, many hundreds of demonstrators took to the streets of Gulja in the northwest of Xinjiang. Word had spread among them that 30 Uyghurs accused of agitation against the government had been executed. Thousands of troops were rushed in to crush the demonstration, which took place over 2 days. Exiles claim soldiers shot dead unarmed protesters. The official death toll was 9. Dissident sources put it at over 100. These Chinese TV pictures smuggled out of the country are the first visual evidence of what may have been a massacre. It was barely reported at the time. In the case of the demonstration in Gulja of February this year, exiles claim that 1,600 arrests followed. Photographs circulating among Uyghur exiles are set to show the effects of frostbite after the detainees were sprayed with cold water. They were allegedly held in a building for 6 days in freezing conditions. As a result, 50 youths are said to have died. The Chinese authorities deal harshly with political dissenters. Those convicted are often paraded in front of large crowds, and many then face the firing squad. An unknown number of Uyghurs have been executed this year alone. 9 of them, not the group here, are known to have been shot on July the 22nd. A Uyghur now in exile saw the condemned men taken on their last journey on a line of trucks.
And bu adamlarninki hammasininki beshi yerga töven tushib ketgan, amma mashinada bağlaqliq. Mening anglashimcha bu adamlarninki nurg'uni o'sha yerim jon o'lik holga kelib qolgan adam. Chunki turmada nayt cho'ng qiynaq azaplarni ko'rgan adam deydigan gaplar bor.
Footage smuggled out portrays those killed in public executions as martyrs.